Tip of the week for your video communication with your clients and your prospect. Go to your company website and check out the latest blog post, or maybe your YouTube channel, or your company's LinkedIn channel. Find something that is relevant for the prospect, for the client, and send a video message very much like this one, going something like, hello, dear client. I found something that might be relevant for you, and I thought about sharing it. Click on the link that will appear at the end of this video. And then you link the article in the call to action URL, and you created a great video communication that will be 10 times more engaging than just sending it via text or relying on marketing to do the job for you. Put your face out there, communicate with your client. And actually, if you're camera shy and you don't want to put your face out there, use record screen and walk them through the most relevant part of the article and just send that through as a screen recorded video with your voiceover. Great video communication doesn't need to be complicated. You don't need to be Martin Scorsese or Ron Howard to create video communication. Well, if you're ready to experiment with video messaging, get in touch with me. My name is Luca. I'm with NativeVideo, and we enable businesses and people connect in a whole new way through video.